How to delete Kakaotalk account. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can delete your Kakaotalk account. So let's dive right in. First, open Kakaotalk application on your device. Now once you are in, tap on the settings right here at the top right corner. Now just tap on general settings. Here tap on privacy option, tap on it. Now scroll down and you can see manage my personal info, tap on it. Now once you do that, you will see many options right here. Tap on unregister from Kakaotalk. Now just tick mark this and tap on unregister from Kakaotalk. Tap on OK. Now it says you need to register within this 48 or 27 hours. So just wait for this time and repeat the same process for unregistering this. Now tap on OK. Repeat the same process to unregister your account. Now once you unregister your account, just go back in this frames right here and tap on settings again and tap on general settings. Here scroll down and you'll see customer service right here, tap on it. Now scroll down and tap on Kakao account. Now you can just tap on how do I delete my Kakao account. Now scroll down and you can see delete Kakao account, tap on it. Now once you do that, tap on next and you need to re-enter your password again, so re-enter your password. Once you enter your password, tap on confirm. Tap on confirm again, and in this way your Kakaotalk account will be deleted. And that's it. This is how you can delete Kakaotalk account on your device. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you.